If you're getting error code 30005 or 30021225 in the 7 Deadly Sins origin and the game won't start, here are some quick fixes you can try. Start with a simple power cycle. Shut down your PC, unplug the power cable, turn off your router, wait a few seconds, then turn everything back on and restart your system. Next, try launching the game multiple times or run it directly from the installation folder. You can also right-click the game.exe file and run it as administrator. If the issue continues, go to the game's properties and enable options like Run as Administrator, try Windows 8 compatibility mode, and disable full screen optimizations. You can also enable high DPI scaling and set it to application. Make sure your antivirus or Windows security is not blocking the game. Add all the game.exe files to the allowed apps list and also allow them through the firewall. Now reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat from the game folder and run the setup as administrator. This step is important and fixes the error in many cases. You can try adding launch options like -DX11 or -DX12 in Steam and see which one works. If nothing works, verify game files from Steam or rename the config folder to reset settings. As a last step, update your graphics drivers in Windows or reinstall the game on a different drive. These fixes should help you resolve the error and launch the game successfully. One of these steps should help fix the problem. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.